Okay, so after we done the main choice to, we ask the user to enter the choice for part 1, 2 or 3, whichever one they want to use, and then we use the while loop to loop so to see which one the choice which one they make. So you will do all these while choice. You will keep on looking while choice is not equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. So while it's not equals to any of these, it should keep on doing it. Okay, so at this point I just want to compare. I know I'm going to get a lot of errors, so I'm just going to build a solution and see what happens. Yep, lots of errors. Okay, so we need the library for the it's complaining about that. I just want to compile it. I know it will work, so I just want to compile it first. For now, I'm just getting rid of that, and I'll come back to it. Anyway, we won't compile until everything is all done. Okay, so we start off with the function for the first flight. We clear the screen, we get the user to enter the load limits for that flight, and then we use a do loop, a do while. Then we begin by asking the user to enter the first parcel. Then you will keep on asking the user to enter second parcel, taking the weight until we get to the end. So we've got the integer I as a global variable, and then we store it. We are storing it as so we are storing the user input into I for each parcel entered. Okay, so we get user to enter the weight of parcel number 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, start with parcel number 0 because I integer is 0. So we start from that 0, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't make sense that if I say I is equals to 1, then it will start from 1, but whatever, parcel number 0, then it will enter until I pass, and then while it's entering, is checking, is calculating the weight. So he says while weight 1 is equal to weight 1, sorry, total weight 1 is equals to weight 1 plus total weight 1. So weight 1 is the input of the first parcel, let's say, and the so it's checking it until then it take the space left over. So space 1 is equals to load limit 1, take away this total weight 1. Then it will increment it, and then it will do a reuse if statement. Say if load limit 1 take away that is less than 0, then space left is if total weight 1 is greater than load limit 1, the load limit 1, remember, is the weight of the fly that we start off with. So if it is so if load limit 1 take away total weight is less than 0, then space left over display. But if total weight 1 is greater than load limit 1, that's the load of the limit that we put in the flight at the first place, then we say parcel is rejected. We can't put anything in there. Then we say we subtract weight 1 from total weight 1, because we didn't put that in, and then the array is then of I is then 1 is taken out, and then if weight 1 is equals to 0, then we check it again. If it's weight 1 is equals to 0, weight 1 is equals to weight 1 plus 1, it's take away 1, is decrement the parcel. So if we reject the parcel, then we have to decrement, and we don't add it to the total. We decrement the parcel taken in, and then we decrement the weight of the parcel that we try to put in. So this is the while loop for the do at the beginning, and we are saying do all this while weight 1 is not equals to 0. So we can keep on doing until weight 1 is not equals to 0. So for the first flight, we've done everything that is asking for. We've used the I as a global variable, and we use it to increment and parcels. Sorry, we're using to take in, store whatever input of the parcel weight from the user into I, and then we will check the weight of the parcel put, and if it's equal to or greater than the load limit of the flight, then we will reject it at the beginning. So if we go through the English statement here of the whole thing, you can pause at this moment, you can pause this bit to go through everything to see that you understand what's going on, and then we reject it and refer it to the next class. So we are now going back to the main menu, ask the user to enter a trace again, because flight 1 is full up, and then we are going to go on to flight 2. So we've gone back, we are using a do while loop again. We clear the screen to go back to main menu. We call the main menu function, and then we enter enter your choice. So at XY 1522, we will enter a choice again from the user, taking the user input, and use a switch statement to take it in. Use a while loop to loop it on unless it's not equal to any of the choice there. Okay, so we are now about to go on to slide 2.